Hey traders, welcome back to Trading Journals. You ever wonder if the tools you're relying on are actually helping, or if they're quietly holding you back? Bookmap looks amazing at first glance, but is it just visual candy, or does it actually give you an edge? In this Bookmap review, we're digging in deep. Flaws, features, feedback from real traders. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's start where things usually get uncomfortable. Negative Bookmap reviews. Because if something's going to go wrong with a tool like Bookmap, you want to know before you commit, right? We spent some time combing through dozens of Bookmap reviews, and like with any trading platform, the most revealing ones often live in the one-star section. One trader here didn't hold back. He said he canceled his trading software subscription and urged others to do the same. According to him, the only trader who truly knew how to use the system was a group called the Algo Boys. But they're gone. He added that other traders, including known names like Bruce Pringle, were still trading on Sim and losing. He called the Academy a joke, the entire platform a waste of time and money. That's pretty harsh. And we get it. When people feel scammed or frustrated, they speak out. But let's unpack this a bit. We don't know the full context here. Maybe Bookmap trading expectations were off, or he didn't connect with the trading education style. Maybe there were support delays. The frustration here might be real, but that doesn't mean we're getting the full picture. And here's why. Despite that sharp critique, complaints like this are surprisingly rare. Bookmap has hundreds of verified users, and the platform holds a solid 4.4 out of 5-star rating. That's not something you get by being a joke. Now, to be safe, if you're ever trialing Bookmap or any trading tool, keep a paper trail. Screenshot your cancellation, email support, not just click a cancellation link. If anything weird happens, your credit card company also has your back. But again, issues like that, they're the exception, not the rule. And now for the other side of the story, the side that has real traders sticking with Bookmap and actually swearing by it. One reviewer said that Bookmap and TraderLab completely changed his stock research and trading. He got the subscription and joined Tom B's group. He's still learning auction theory and volume profile, but he said nothing else even compares. The visualizations helped him see the market more clearly, and Tom B, always responsive, always guiding. He said it's a team of serious, experienced traders helping each other grow. Another user praised the day trading platform's design and community. He mentioned Bruce and Tom B again, calling the free trading education shocking in the best way. He said TraderLab gave him a whole new perspective on how to read the market liquidity and financial data. It wasn't just tools, it was a mindset shift. When multiple traders here are saying the same thing, especially ones who are deep into Bookmap live trading theory and order flow trading strategy, it's hard to ignore. Clearly, Bookmap isn't for everyone, but for those it clicks with, it seems to change everything. So what is it about Bookmap that makes people so passionate? Now, when you really look under the hood, it's not the buzzwords or flashy branding that stands out. It's the way Bookmap literally gets you to see the market. Bookmap's core feature, the one that gets most traders excited, is its real-time visualization of order flow and market liquidity. Traditional charting tools show you the past, candlesticks, lines, lagging indicators. They all give you a delayed idea of what already happened. Bookmap changes that entirely. It pulls back the curtain and lets you observe the market mechanics happening right now. The star of the show here is the liquidity heat map. This is where things go from interesting to game-changing. The heat map visually displays how buy and sell orders build up and evolve on the order book. Instead of trying to guess where support or resistance might be, you're watching those zones form in real time as orders stack up or get pulled. It's like standing inside the market and watching the participants make their moves. This is especially helpful for traders focused on day trading futures, options, and stocks, because those trades rely heavily on precision, speed, and understanding intent. A Bookmap trading platform gives you that edge by showing what's behind the price action, who's getting in, who's backing out, and where the pressure is building, right? Another core feature worth diving into is the best bid and offer tool. This tool helps you track the highest price a buyer is willing to pay and the lowest a seller is willing to accept. And you're not seeing it 5 minutes later, you're seeing it as it happens. That might sound simple, but in a market where milliseconds matter, this is a level of detail that can seriously change your approach. And it doesn't even stop there. Bookmap layers in volume dots that show exactly where trades are executed, so you know the difference between intent and actual commitment. Combined with features like iceberg detection and market imbalance visuals, you're not just charting trades, you're dissecting market behavior. And for advanced traders, especially those working with futures or trying to master order flow trading, this depth of insight can help shift your decision making from reactive to proactive. It's all built around helping you trade with clarity instead of waiting for signals to let you spot those signals as they're forming. And of course, no tool is perfect, and Bookmap has its moments. If you're expecting to open this platform and start trading like a pro from day one, it's probably gonna feel super intimidating. The options trading interface is loaded with information. It moves fast, and if you're not already familiar with market structure, it can definitely look like chaos at first. But is that really a flaw? To me, it's actually just kind of a feature, right? Bookmap was never meant to be training wheels. It's designed for serious traders who want to get as close as possible to the source of market movement. That kind of power comes with a learning curve. Personally, I remember feeling a bit overwhelmed when I first got into Bookmap, but once you spend a little time learning the layout, attending a few of the free webinars, and following the community traders, things start to click. And when it clicks, it really stays. So yes, it's complex, but not in a way that holds you back. It's complex in a way that invites you to level up. The education is there, the support is there, and the payoff, it's a clearer view of the market than most traders will ever get. Now let's talk about Bookmap pricing. So after seeing all those features and that level of depth, the next big question is Bookmap legit, and how much does it actually cost? And that's fair, because order book trading tools like this usually come with a hefty price tag. But here's the surprise. Bookmap is actually pretty reasonably priced for what it delivers. Depending on how serious you are and which features you want to unlock, there are a few subscription levels to choose from here too. Check the link in the description. That's where you'll find the latest Bookmap pricing, whether they're offering a Bookmap free trial, and what deals are live right now. But all right, let's wrap this Bookmap review up. If you're an experienced trader looking to see the market with more precision and detail, Bookmap might just be the tool that changes how you trade. It's powerful, it's dynamic, and it gives you insights that most traders will never see. Check the link in the description of this video to get started with our special discount and coupon.